Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explain to you some examples of how to be happy in life. So please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and always be up to date. So let's get it started. Achieving happiness is a subjective and individual journey, as what brings joy and fulfillment can vary from person to person. However, here are some general strategies that can contribute to a sense of happiness and well-being. 1. Cultivate positive relationships. Build and nurture healthy and supportive relationships with family, friends, and loved ones. Social connections and a sense of belonging are crucial for happiness. 2. Practice gratitude. Take time to appreciate the positive aspects of your life. Expressing gratitude for the things you have can shift your focus to what's going well and increase feelings of contentment. 3. Engage in meaningful activities. Pursue activities and hobbies that align with your values and interests. Engaging in activities that give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment can contribute to long-term happiness. 4. Take care of your physical health. Physical well-being has a significant impact on mental and emotional well-being. Prioritize regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and engage in self-care practices. 5. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness. Cultivate mindfulness through practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Being present in the moment and developing self-awareness can help manage stress and enhance overall well-being. 6. Set realistic goals. Set meaningful and achievable goals that align with your values. Working towards goals gives a sense of purpose and accomplishment, contributing to happiness. 7. Help others and practice kindness. Engaging in acts of kindness and helping others can boost your own happiness. Volunteering, offering support, or simply showing kindness in daily interactions can create a positive impact on both yourself and others. 8. Prioritize work-life balance. Strive for a healthy balance between work, leisure, and personal life. Creating boundaries and making time for activities you enjoy outside of work can enhance overall happiness and reduce stress. 9. Practice self-care. Take care of your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Prioritize self-care activities that recharge and rejuvenate you, such as practicing hobbies, spending time in nature, or engaging in activities that bring you joy. Remember that happiness is a journey, and it's normal to experience ups and downs. It's essential to be patient with yourself, practice self-compassion, and seek support from others when needed. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.